Are you having trouble finding the log out button in Messenger? Here are two easy ways to log out on your Android and your iPhone. So first, you can go ahead and delete and reinstall Messenger. Simply tap and hold on to the Messenger icon, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and delete the Messenger application from your phone. Deleting the app automatically logs you out. Your messages and accounts are safe and will not be deleted. Once the app is removed, you need to go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook Messenger application, and then install it from here and log into your account. Another method is go ahead and open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now open Account Center, and here tap on Password and Security. Under the Security Checks section, you need to choose where you are logged in, and you'll get the list of the devices and the places where you're logged in. Tap on Select Devices to log out. Select the device, and then tap on Log Out from the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color. Tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. This will log you out of Messenger and Facebook on that device. Now, when you open the Messenger app, you should see the login screen confirming that you've successfully logged out. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.